What's good with you, YouTube? It's your boy. I am Charlie P, and I'm back here with another video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you're an OG sub, I appreciate the love and support you guys give me. We almost at 1,000 subscribers. Let's get it. We trying to get to it before July and my birthday. We almost there. We about 20 something, about 28 subscribers away right now as of me recording this video. But this video is going to be me. I just got back from Father's Day weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's going to look like it's going to be time for me to clean up again, you know. But this video is me showing me installing my TV on my mount right there. So I got a DVD player. I got like 3 movies. I got this mount. I want it to swivel. I hope and pray this does the job for that right there, and this 32-inch TV. So we're gonna pray. If it's not gonna work, I'm gonna turn y'all back on, and I'm still gonna show y'all. I'm not gonna show me trying to fix it up and do it all that. I'm just gonna figure it out on my own and get things in order for that. Do that because I don't know, I think it's slow right now. I don't know, the economy, you know, it's pretty weird right now. I got back up here to the DC today. It's Monday. There ain't really no trailers ready or nothing like that, so they ain't called me for one. So I don't know what's going on, but till then I'm finna hook up my TV, get my truck ready, get my truck clean, and eat me something because I am hungry. I haven't had anything today. It is about, let's see, it is 11 o'clock Central Time. So I just put up all my stuff that I basically washed when I went home and came back. And I know you guys seen for Father's Day, I got a strap for my phone. So basically, I know with the GoPro situation, I'm really like, because it's like a lot of stuff, and I'm probably going to spend over like $1,500 to do all that. And I really not trying to spend that right now. So my wife bought me this chest strap that I can hold my phone and I can record and still show you guys everything you guys need to see. And you know, I don't know if it's first person, third person, point of view, whatever that point of view is, this is going to do it for you. So you guys going to see the day-to-day job and how I do things by me basically getting the roll containers and everything and not having to touch my phone. It's just gonna be on my chest right here. You got one with the head strap, but I don't want to put this iPhone 16 up here on my head like that. So that's that, man. I'm finna hurry up and let me turn on some air. It's a little warm up in here. So that's that. We're finna set this TV up, get this TV all up and going, because I'm right here by the DC, and the DC got Wi-Fi right here. So even though I got movies, but since I got Wi-Fi right here, I'm going to click on YouTube or something, or whatever, Netflix, and watch it on the big screen, you know what I'm saying? So let me get installing this, and I'll turn y'all back on once I do the finished product. All right, so the TV is up, but it's not perfect by any means. I know you can see my reflection, but I'm going to have to take this TV down every time I drive, because I'm gonna be real with you. If you gonna put a TV in your semi truck, please don't go cheap like me. I went cheap and I regret it. And a lot of this hardware don't work. I really didn't have all my tools with me. I needed the mount that was like $40 that I didn't want to spend $40 on, and I'm eventually still gonna have to spend $40. But this was only like $10. It's up there, but it is, let me see if I can zoom out. It's not perfect. As you can see, the gap right there is not basically on there. Like, it's on there, but I can't drive with it. Like, it's on there, but like, you see, I had to use zip ties. So this bolt right here came with it, and it's like a little nut back here that I brought from the house. So like, this TV mount weird. Like, of course, you know, I'm used to hanging TVs up at the house. So this right here, I had to use like 4 or 5 zip ties. Like, it's on there, but this is not stable enough for me to drive with the TV up, which I don't think I will feel comfortable doing that. And then I still had to rig this up, put these little clips, because only these small screws fit in here. But it was like, I don't know, it was just a lot. I just said it was just a lot. And I'm just gonna keep it like this. I put this TV up when I'm parked. When I'm driving, this TV is gonna be basically down. Like, so that's not even up there correctly, but I mean, it looked good, but it ain't up there right. Let me see. All right, so you see how, let me zoom it back in. Some light. I don't know if that helps, but the zip tie make it like where it's not leveled enough. And this bracket, due to this right here, that's why I said I wanted to swivel. And I can tell that somebody had the bolts, because the swivel is latitude. So it's like, I mean, longitude, whatever, whichever one, it's straight up and down. And they basically drilled these holes bigger. And I got a drill, and I drilled these two holes bigger. But if I had this other washer, I would be good to put it there. But even if I did, it's still not enough room for this side right here to completely stay on it. So I'm gonna have to get the swivel TV stand, and even then, I don't know, I may not even get it, because I just still don't feel comfortable with driving while this TV, like, I don't know, I don't like, it is weird though. I guess because it's not, I guess it won't stay flush because the bottom part won't connect, because this is hanging off the edge right here. But that'll do. I mean, like I said, that's up there for me to watch TV. So I gotta plug it up and stuff like that, plug my DVD player up, and I'll turn it back on and show y'all that. But as far as like watching TV when I'm asleep, I mean, when I'm finna go to sleep, yeah, that's cool. Then I just take the TV down every time I drive, because that's just how it's gonna have to be. Because unless, like I seen, like some people have, like I got a window, but some people don't have a window in their Peterbilt. They drill holes and they basically create a mount back there, but that's a whole window. Like somebody has something right there, but I mean, that's good enough for me. Every time I stop, and I'll be able to watch my TV, because it ain't hard putting it up there. So I mean, I just lay it down, lay it flat, and you know, just put it back up when I can. I mean, when I lay down, and there it is. I got a TV. So I got to clean up all this mess, and I got to give me something to eat, because my head trying to hurt. I've been over here focusing on this TV for so long, man. Yes. I had to rig it up or something. Like I said, I worked at AT&T. I was a wire technician, so kind of, you like, as a man, you gotta make stuff work for the time being. And I could have just set it down, put these stands on it, but I didn't want that. Like, I want to be able to lay my feet all the way out. I'm 6'2", so like I said, that's cool. I have to remember to take that off every time I drive, because Lord knows I don't want that to break, even though it was only $80, not $90, I think. But I'm not trying to pay $90 every time for a TV. So I'm finna connect the power to it, connect this DVD player, eat me something, and turn on the TV. And I'm right here by the Wi-Fi too. So I'll mess around, turn on some YouTube or something. And I'm getting kind of hot though, man. So there's that. I gotta get my truck in order, clean it up, and then I will cook me something. But as far as my truck, now I may still end up buying the
the swivel mount, but I'm gonna need. Yeah, he looking at. I'm sorry. I'm still gonna need to make sure that I got all the right stuff. But I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna spend $40. Only thing the swivel gonna do is, that's in a great position for me. Only thing the swivel gonna do is basically make sure that I can have it up while I'm driving. That is it. I'm gonna be paying $40 to make sure I can have it up while I'm driving. And I don't need the TV while I'm up and driving. My wife, my kid, my son, don't nobody ride with me, so ain't nothing to just keep putting that TV down and then put it up when I'm finna go. I mean, it ain't hard. It just snaps on right there. So I don't know. I may not even do that. I may just keep doing that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't tripping. I might just put it up there every time I stop. I'm not about to spend $40 on this swivel just so I can make sure that it's staying, because like, I'm not finna be swiveling it in a different direction or whatever. Like, I'm gonna put the lights around it and stuff like that soon, so you guys gonna see that once I go to the store. I might see it at the dollar store and I might get it. I might see it at the dollar store and get it. But as far as that is my TV setup. Sorry, it's not the best TV setup, but hey, you do what it do. Where I come from, you gotta make it shake as a man. I know some of y'all men, women, y'all done had to figure it out and just make it do what it do for you. And that's just what I did. I just made it do what it do for me. And taking that down ain't nothing. I could just literally just pick this up and put it down. It ain't like I gotta pull them strings, because it's on there. Like, look, it's latched on. It's just that side is basically hanging off a little bit. Like, even both sides is on there, but it's like that right side is off a little bit. It won't like flush for the bottom for it to just like lock in. But as far as that, like, it's on there, you know what I'm saying? So it's on there enough for me to be able to watch TV and do what I do and chill. But on that note, that's all this video really entail. I really don't have much. My load leave out at like 7:30 in the morning. I'm finna just chill and eat and watch some TV, because I'm tired and I'm hungry. So I'm just right here just chilling. And that's about it, man. I appreciate everybody for watching. I appreciate all the new people coming, watching my videos, subscribing. We almost at 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully when this video drops, we'll be at 1,000 or remotely close to 1,000, which we are. I think we like 27 subscribers away. So if you're watching this and you ain't subscribed, you could be one of those 27 subscribers that I need to help me get to 1,000 before July on my birthday. That'd be a nice birthday gift you can give to me without spending no money. You just hit the button, boop, subscribe. But on that note, man, I am Charlie P, and I'm out. Oops. Don't end the video. This is a blooper. I'm adding this in there. Hey, we make mistakes, but I do got to show y'all that it worked, because I ain't turned it on. Look at my DVD player, HDMI cord. So let me see. Let me turn it on. Is it plugged up? Hold on. All right, so there it is. My bad, I had to mess with my power or something on my APU. There go the TV. It's a little crooked. Like I said, it's a little crooked, but hey, it do what it do. Yeah, English, United States, set up for home use. Hey, driver wireless. Hey, that's what we finna do. We finna connect to it. Hey, it worked. So, hey, we on the Wi-Fi. That's what's up. Your TV has got the latest software. Once it updates, it install and restart automatically.
All right, so that's my blooper. It worked. It's just updating, and hey, there it is. Appreciate you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I'm out.